Hi and welcome to another fit for purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about cabinet flap door hardware. Let's talk about falling flap doors. A falling flap is a cabinet door that folds down to create a flat work surface, then folds back up when not in use. They may be found in the kitchen, for an appliance cabinet or coffee station. They may be found on a study desk, extension tables, custom-made wall cabinets, home bars, or even a work from home space. Pacta is designed and made in Italy by Salice, who have been around since 1957. When we ask cabinet makers what they like about Pacta, they say it's simple, it's easy, and it works. You can see that the Pacta design is streamlined with no additional stays or cables needed. When Pacta is down, the open door and the base panel inside the cabinet are fully aligned for a flat, uniform space. So your appliance or laptop won't get the wobbles. Pacta has a decelerated opening action, so the door movement is smooth and controlled. If the flap door drops too fast, it can wrench the hinges and damage your panel. So a controlled movement is very important. Pacta is available in white and satin matte or black. If you like a streamlined, no-handle look for your cabinets, there is a push-to-open Pacta model too. Now, a couple of extra points for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. Pacta comes in a kit, so everything you need is on one order code. If you have a particularly wide door, there is a supplementary hinge to support the width of the door and prevent bowing. Pacta handles 10 to 15 kg weight. The maximum door height is 400 mm.